This is the Hipshot KickAss bridge. Pretty cool bridge. It's Hipshot's shout out to Leo Kwan's badass bridge. Their tribute to him, and it's just an awesome bridge. It feels really good on your hand. It's nice and smooth. It's got a lot of surface there, nice flat surface for this thing to mount on. It's thick and it's hefty, and it feels nice and solid when you mount it on the bass. It has your typical 5-hole configuration that you're used to seeing on basses, so it should be an easy swap out if you have a 5-hole Fender, say, for instance. It has Allen wrench adjustable saddles, 2 screws on each side to raise the saddles like you typically see, but they're kind of countersunk in so they don't dig into your hand and they feel good. This one has brass inserts on here, and there's a screw on the outside of each of the saddles that you can undo and slide the brass inserts one way or the other so you can get your spacing exactly as you want it. And also they offer stainless steel inserts that you can purchase too and swap them out for stainless steel if you wanted. The intonation screws are back here. It feels good, it looks good, and it's affordable, and it's a very good bridge. I like it.